Let's learn about advanced customization form layouts. I'm a maintenance manager and want to make Impulse as user-friendly as possible for my team. When I look at the work order records, there's a lot of information that's beneficial and necessary for my day-to-day workflow and reports. However, not everyone needs to see all of this detail. I'm going to create a custom form for my maintenance technicians that focuses on their workflow. To do this, I'll go to the main menu, Management Tools, Customization, and select Form Layouts. The first thing I need to do is select the record area I want to create a custom form for. Here we'll choose Work Order Records. Every record area has a default layout. I can add a new one by clicking the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen, and I'll give the layout a name in this pop-up window, then click Save. With this custom form, there are quite a few things I can do. I can add new fields by clicking the Add Element button, choosing the field type, and giving it a label. I can also add fields that already exist in the system to the form. Static text and static image will allow me to input text or pictures that are fixed to the form. We can see examples of those functions right here. In the form, I can move fields from one section to another and rearrange them. When I click on any of these fields, I get a Label Properties pane on the right side of the screen. Here, I can change the color, font, and size of the field. I can also remove these fields from the form if I don't need them. These fields do remain in the database and can be added back to the form if we ever need to. At the top of the screen, I have the ability to remove sections just by clicking this icon. I can also add or rearrange sections. To add, I click this plus sign, give my section a name, save it, then apply it. To rearrange, I would click this icon, then drag and drop my sections in the order I want them and click Apply. One of the major sections my maintenance technicians focus on is the work order information. I want to make this as easy as possible to see important information. For example, in the task assigned to work order table, they don't need to see the task ID, but I do want them to see the criticality of the task. I can customize the columns in this table by clicking on the table, then on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. In this pop-up, I can check the values I want in the table and uncheck any I don't want. I can also drag and drop columns to place them in the order I want them. Now I'll hit Apply to save this and can see my updated task table here. Once I've finished customizing this form, I'll click the Save icon here and select Yes in the pop-up. Now I need to go to Management Tools again. This time I'm going to go to Security Setup and select Group Setup. I need to apply this layout to the groups I want to use it. So I'll select the Maintenance Engineers, then click the Edit icon. In the Layout column, I have a drop-down field for work orders. I'm going to select the form that we just created and save. This updated custom form is going to make it easier and so much more efficient for my team to complete their work orders. This tool is fantastic. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.